Buongiorno. Ayer to go eba no ta na club Italiano che na Cape Town. Ebe anyị na ndị Obosi Town Union. Oga bịara ịhụ ndị Obosi. Our interest is for the development of our league and also the unification of our league. We unify, we develop. We unify, we develop. We are also interested in making the Igbo identity to be respected. Yes, we demand respect for our contribution to humanity. Hi, Chukwemeka. I am the convener of the Unified Igbos now, where we have been on the road unifying our people. And internationally, we have the campaign, which we call Anamacho Wannem. I'm searching for my brother. And this is why we are here today, in collaboration with Pine Leaf Estates and Properties, to bring Umibo together and make them believe that the development of our Igbo is possible. With the diasporan community, we can make everything work. Our people here, this is not our land. We have a land. And if we don't start going home to develop it, then nothing. Our essence has been defeated. So I am calling upon every person, every individual, everyone to pick up that powerful identity that we have, the Igbo people, and begin to think home. We are bringing our people home. They must come home. They must develop home. This place is beautiful, but it does not end here. So we must do a replica of that so that you understand. That is the interest. I'm seeing your own person, Chukwemeka Ojembandi, the Unified Igbos now convener. I'm a proponent of Akurulo, and I'm inviting you. Share this video. Share the video. All right, this is the Anamacho Wannem International Igbo Unification Project, and in collaboration with Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited. We are here to develop our Igbo. But first of all, we are here to get to South Africa today. If they can, Igbo can. And we have Chinakalive, the CEO, Pine Leaf Estates and Properties. Not all of them. What are they? Pine Leaf Estates, land banking is a must. Anamacho Wannem, not all of them.